Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly, then show the Arab Private Limited Company is the all staff is attendance, then total attendance. Firstly, then we can see is click for the total attendance first bar. Now for click, then keyboard press from the equal option and text is the press count if and press for the first bracket, then select your attendance, then press for the comma, then press for a double inverted comma and press for the P, then again double inverted comma, then close for the first bracket, then click for the keyboard press from auto enter, then first name is Mahmoud, attendance is 4 day, then equal the mouse, this total attendance is the all staff, this first staff is Mahmoud, attendance is 4 day, second staff is attendance is 5 day, Muslim attendance is 3 day, Muslim is the attendance is 6 day, minus the attendance is 6 day, then show the carried total attendance is the Microsoft Word, sorry Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.